Nangin madinalagan angin patigaw ng Coffee Festival naging tawag kapihan sa Santa Barbara sa sulod nga siyam ka adlaw. Ang festival gintuon sa tiyon kang simbang gabi kagin pasakupan ka mga local coffee shop owners kag mga mangunguma kang kape sa Banwa.
Sa simbang gabi, di plano. So kagahon. Pwede ba sa gabi, pwede mostly most of the time bro, sa kagahon, sa nagasimba, sa nagajogging. Manami ang oportunidad sa ating negosyante kag sa ating mga kasimanwa na maka-enjoy sanda, maghigop-higop kang lain-lain nga sabor kang coffee. No? Sa ating mga local farmers and the support sa ating mga programa, kapakita laran nga tanang kita nag-tingob, nag-ugyon para sa whatever activities kating Banwa, dyan kita nga mangin colorful, dagi mangin successful. Under sa leadership ng ating beloved Mayor Doc Dennis Official.
Sa adlaw kang pabukas kagahiwatan na orientation pa para kananda.
Quality coffee. So sa amon sa Banwa kang Nambunaw, Kalinog Inhaniway, we are very well known to produce coffee, especially ang natawag nanda nga native or robusta coffee. Pero sa tutuod, wala kita native coffee because these coffees came from Africa. Gindala siya through the slave network before. And then, ang aton nga Arabica came from Ethiopia, and ang aton Robusta came from Uganda. 4 coffees. Para hindi na kada mabudlayan, wala native ha. Maging matuod lang kita. Or real. Ano real? R for Robusta, E for Excelsa, A for Arabica, and L for Liberica or Kaping Barako naton. Wala native coffee. Local coffee, locally produced, pero ang native is kape nga dyan mismo ng tubo. Wala kita. But very common ka natin is in terms of volume, pinakadamo volume is Robusta coffee. Ang pinakamahal is Arabica coffee. Ang Excelsa naton, ang Liberica naton, very common in Southern Tagalog, which is in Batangas, Quezon, Cavite, and ang muna siyang natawag naton nga Kapeng Barako. Ang familiar niya nga sabor is banana.
May demo man kung paano mag-brew ang kape gamit ang brewing machine with coffee art.
Okay, so ang ini nga training, ginatudlo na mo ni 23 days, sa amon. Pero sa baristayan sito, pero subong pila lang ka segundo, minuto lang, makuha nyo na.
Wow, perfect!
5 stocks. Beautiful.
Ginpakigbahin ni Paul Caldi owner Peter Paul Dayonan ang mga tips kung paano maging mapinadayunon ang sangka coffee shop.
The farmer. As of the moment, we have 5 farmers. Hindi siya dako gid na farm because Paul Caldi is focusing on the backyard. Because nowadays, like for example, si tatay may coffee farm siya and may bata siya. Then, ang bata hindi kabalo mag-ano sang kape. So the reality now is mostly ka-change sila sang crops. Mga mais and etc. And ginatapas si coffee. And they didn't know that there is gold in a coffee. And once a year lang, nag-harvest and less maintenance. And during the startup, there's a lot of opportunities that would happen to me as on my personal career. More guest speaker on the Commission on Higher Education. I met Mountain on the speakership. And there's a lot of university get me as a resource speaker. This is important for those who are starting up business like the kiosk here. You need to ask yourself, what is the status of your business in a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually? What is your standing now? What is your financial status? What is your business status? That's why it's very important to track your sales and your business health. How you can track your business health? You need to input your business sa point of sales system. The reason that you will input it on the point of sale system for you to do analytics. What is the status of a business? Nagalugi bala siya or gagain? Dako bala expenses ko sa labor cost? And what is my costing? And what is my profit margin? That's why I encourage, even your business is small, you need to focus on the inventory and get a point of sale system. That is very important.